Welcome back to Buy or Die. This week is quite normal for Virgin Galactic stock because of several reasons. The first one is that we're going to see Virgin Orbit on the stock market soon, and this company relates to Branson as well as Virgin Galactic, so the impact is evident, but it's not going to blow SPCE shares and carry them to the moon in my opinion. The second reason is that all MEM stocks actually revived this week. I can mention Clough, Wish, AMC stock and other companies that are adored by Reddit users. Real estate is also feeling good in general due to the news that the threat from Delta Plus is not so serious as it was expected, and everything is taken into control. Now SPCE stock prices between $25–26. Analysts remain bullish. According to 11 Wall Street analysts following the stock, Virgin Galactic is a hold. The average SPCE price target of $36.67 implies 38.5% upside to current trading levels. I expect SPCE stock to go back to $24.5 before next test flight, probably this Friday if Powell says something negative. By the next test flight it will probably touch $29, and after this event we may stay on this level for a while, maybe 2–3% higher, but afterwards we will return to $24 because no news and announcements are expected till the end of 2021. We assess Unity will be on the maintenance for quite a long time, so all hype and growth is left for 2022. Long-term bullish and excited as usual. Write your SPCE predictions in the comments and subscribe to this channel because it's much better to make money together. And see you guys tomorrow in my next video.